Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to bring you a quick little video to show you how to make some apple nachos. My cousin shared this video the other day and I'm like, oh, I have to make this. I love apples and chocolate and everything. So this is great for a snack, a get together, for my cousin's baby shower. I'm going to make a big old platter of these. So let's get started. I have on hand Honeycrisp apples, and I'm just making enough just for me, but as you can see, this will probably wind up just with one apple. It can feed 2 or 3 just to snack on, but Granny Smith apples would be really good. So I just have them sitting in some lemon water. Let me get them dried off, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I have some white chocolate that I've melted. And if your chocolate is just a little bit thick still when you melt it, you can add just a tiny bit of coconut oil and it'll thin it right on up. So I'm going to drizzle some white chocolate over them. You can drizzle whatever kind of chocolate that you like, and as much or as little as you like. Remember, I'm just showing you how I do it. You make it how you like to eat it and how your family likes it. And now I'm just going to take some caramel sauce, drizzle it over the top of it. And now you can put over whatever you like. I've taken a few pretzels and I've chopped them up. I'm going to sprinkle some pretzels over it. Now I have these real mini, teeny tiny, it's peanut butter filled chocolate, and you can see how small it is. I get it at Sprouts. It's got peanut butter in it. You can sprinkle some of that over the top. And I also have some pretty chocolate covered sunflower seeds. Sprinkle that over, just whatever you like. And I'm going to drizzle over a little bit more of the white chocolate. Help everything stick. And then you can drizzle over some more caramel. Now you can put this in the refrigerator just for a minute to let it set up, or you can go ahead and enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead and try a bite. I'm going to get this one right here. You could also sprinkle some nuts over the top. This is so good. Let your kids make it. Chop up the apple. Tell them to be careful with the melted chocolate. And set out whatever that you like for them to sprinkle on top. And I'm sure they will enjoy it. Now, I'm probably going to sit down and eat this whole plate. But as you can see, just for a snack, this could easily, just with one apple, feed 2 or 3 people. So, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd bring you along to show you this little snack idea. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.